Hey guys, Curtis Stone here. Listen, I know we're all stuck at home right now, but the truth is we're at home with our loved ones and there's no better way than bringing everyone together around the dinner table than with a delicious dinner. So I'm gonna show you something that's quick, super affordable. In fact, you use up a bunch of leftovers and it's really, really delicious. It's a stir-fried rice dish. I'm gonna use beef and veggies. First of all, we're gonna chop our veggies, onions, garlic, ginger, and then whatever veggies you have in the fridge. I've got some capsicum, some carrots, some broccoli, some snow peas, but truly anything you have will work. And then I've got a little bit of leftover steak. What I'm gonna do is chop that up and I'm gonna throw that in as well. Very first thing you're gonna do is cook the rice. I've already done that, it's over there in my little rice cooker. I'm gonna use a big roasting pan like this. You can use a wok, I just don't have one at home. Get it nice and hot first and foremost. We're gonna cook in just a little bit of olive oil. You could use canola oil as well. So you start with your onions because they take the longest to cook. Then you add your ginger and your garlic, nice high heat. The reason you add them separately is because if you add them at the start, the ginger and the garlic will actually burn. As the title suggests, you just stir while you're frying, you stir frying. Now, if you don't have carrots, but you have zucchini, that's fine. Just go ahead and switch it out. I've also got just a little bit of kale. It's homegrown, you guys. I got that straight out of the garden. No matter what it is that you've got, it will work in this stir fry. Now you don't have to cook the vegetables all the way through. In fact, it's kind of cool if there's still a little bit of crunch to it. Once the veggies are all cooked, it's time to throw in your rice. If you're going to use a cooked meat like beef, which is what I'm doing, leftover steak, I'm going to chop it up and throw it in right at the end, just so it doesn't get overcooked. Then, it's as simple as adding the sauce. So soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, a little sesame oil. Guys, it's that simple, right? Really, really nothing to it. This is ready. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Have a look at this, a beautiful vegetable. Beef and stir-fried rice. Here's the last little addition. I went ahead and fried some eggs. Look at those beautiful babies. Full of nutrition, super affordable, and I gotta tell you, it is bloody delicious. So if you're looking for great recipes like my beautiful beef and veg fried rice dish, go to coles.com.au for not only my what's for dinner recipes, but a variety of chefs and amazing home cooks. So if you're looking for that inspiration, that's the place to go.